Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 4th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do make sure you join my free Discord channel. Link down here at the end of the video in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the pound yen and a couple of the other yen pairs became very, very bearish over the last day or so. I still think there is a possibility this is an A, a B, and we're in a wave C. An expanding flat can expand all the way to the 261, 278. So if it does go down to one of those two key areas and then break structure to the upside, it definitely could be an ABC correction. But I think I would have to be a little bit cautious on this type of analysis because on the daily time frame, doesn't it look like it's just going back down? I mean, it looks like it just made one, two, three waves up, and now it's just potentially back into a downtrend. So, in order to prevent from losing a trade trying to go long, I would not take a long opportunity unless it bounced from one of these two fib levels, made like a double bottom, and then went up and broke structure. I wouldn't even think about trying to go long until I see this picture right here, because there is definitely a chance that it just goes down, bounces, doesn't break structure, and just keeps on going down. It looks to me like it definitely could still be a wave C, but the market knows best. And if the market doesn't give you a chance to go long, then definitely don't take any longs. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.